Hello everyone and welcome back to GigaBits. In today's video, we're going to review Sopami Car Coating Spray, also known as Sopami Quantum Spray. According to the brand, Sopami Quantum Spray is a nanoceramic or graphene-based coating designed to protect your car's paint. It's supposed to repel water, dirt, and UV rays while improving your car's shine and surface protection. It's also easy to apply and can be used on multiple surfaces including paint, plastic, metal, and glass, promising long-lasting effects for several months. Now, what do real users say? Some users report that their cars look shinier and cleaner after using the product. They also highlight that it's more affordable than professional ceramic coatings. However, there are plenty of negative reviews too. Many customers complain that the shine fades quickly, the water repellent effect doesn't last, and that the bottle and instructions look cheap, suggesting that it might be a low-quality product possibly imported from China. Some say it works, but only for a few days, giving a temporary shine without true long-term protection. Final verdict. Sopami Car Coating Spray is not exactly a scam. It's not a total fraud because the product does exist and gets delivered. However, it doesn't perform as advertised. It's a legit but underwhelming product offering only modest short-term results. You can find it on Amazon and several other online stores, but don't expect miracles. It's more of a basic car shine spray than a true ceramic coating alternative.